What's up?
Look, it's all your deals. It's 1 deal, 2 deal, 3 deals. All of your deals. Aren't you a lucky baby? What's up, guys? What's happening? She crying? No, we were chilling. I was cleaning up the garage a little bit more. So, we're unboxing the lift for the GK garage. First video.
Number 1.
Rookies.
First vlog.
We're gonna be doing a little bit of this hog over here. Something clean, you know. LS. We'll talk about that later.
That's in the back.
The garage.
That's in the back.
This is gonna be the home base for GK. Let's start unboxing this thing, guys. Glasses, safety glasses, guys. Prescription safety glasses. Or some Coakley's. We got this all laid out. This is the Danmar M6 lift. Picked it up for our projects coming soon. Check it out. 6,000 pounds supposedly. Check, what do you think it can hold you?
Yeah. Go on that side, I'll go on this side.
So it has 2 elbows.
Yeah, I guess.
You see the instructions?
Looks like a limp cock.
Right there.
Does it like this?
Something like that.
So we were able to make 2 of them. So we have 2 limp cocks.
So what do you guys want? You guys want the left side or the right side?
Yeah. We could get you on the side.
And that's the picture that's supposed to look like. So
You decide. Tell us in
like
the
that.
comments.
There we go.
Who did it better?
Chinese? What is it? The mix?
It's a fucking mix, man. What the fuck? See, it's a fucking 22. Alright. Right check, pungo. Yeah. Okay, got it. Got it through. Getting closer, guys. Got all this assembled. Hey Lalo, peep the strategy. Got our locks engaged. Lalo's gonna demonstrate how it work. We go up, lock, lift up, disengage, go down. Pretty simple. Good little strategy. Now we just need hydraulic. Now we just need bolt, hydraulic, and everything else.
So we need Teflon tape.
It's the only thing we don't have. Out of every tool we have here, no Teflon tape, so we're gonna run across the street, get some Teflon tape at AutoZone.
Well,
He was with her.
AutoZone.
AutoZone run.
Teflon.
Mission Teflon.
Hey, would they have auto tape plug? On 6. How much is it? $70?
Well, our gauge right here.
That's what we need.
What we need to finish the lips.
Yeah.
How about that?
Only thing holding us back. Only thing.
See what they got in AutoZone.
Oh.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
good,
yeah.
man.
Should we try one of these Nova Scotia type?
There we go. What about the greatest still in there, bro? That shit may go faster?
Yeah, 5 miles an
If we put those on the lift, think it'll lift it up faster?
Pro Flow.
Then no wonder everybody thought has them now.
What? Oh, are they selling you?
Oh, look, they have wraps too.
$24.
Ideas?
I'm gonna get myself a good old fashioned soda pop.
Open the fuck up.
Do you guys accept EBT?
No. Oh, fucking Lalo, is this right here, bro?
What?
Alright, I went home to get a wider lens, so I got a 16. Focus on that. On this one. This is stock one, so switch right now. Alright, we're on the 16 now.
He's got the clear one?
16.
Yeah, right? What color I have?
This is the one I was using before. Yeah, I just covered it because I had no cover, so. Cool polarizer, you know. It's 35 mil prime. Just cover that up.
Hey, do you want to connect it to the...
Oh, those? The,
Yeah.
the half ones?
Yeah.
They're for the studs.
Dude, this is pretty cool. I can't believe I actually got lips.
No, me neither. When you said that, I was like, no way.
Let's go in there.
So we got the primary assembly done on the Denmark M6 AK Max Jacks. Hit them up. They're on sale, SEMA special. Got the stands built. We just need to bolt them on. As you can see. Pump, everything's all plumbed. About ready to start putting in work.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. See you next time.